Everyone wants to fly in abroad but don't know how to legally convert their license in India. Don't worry. Today we'll be talking about how to convert your abroad license into India legally. Hi, my name is Chetan Pipada. I am a commercial pilot. Doesn't matter from where you fly. If you fly from USA, if you fly from South Africa or New Zealand, doesn't matter. You can still be an Indian commercial pilot. You just have to convert this license. How to convert your CPL license, we'll be talking in this video. Once you come back, the real hustle starts here. Most of them don't know how to convert your license. But today I'll be talking on how to convert your abroad license in India. So at the very first stage, you need to give 3 exams in India after coming back. The very first exam is your composite exam, which consists of air navigation and air meteorology. The second exam you need to give is air regulation, and third exam you need to give is RTR. After getting your RTR license, now you'll have to renew your class 1 medical if it is expired. Most of them don't have their class 1 medicals. So after renewing your class 1 medicals, now you can start your flying. So flying journey consists of 5 different checks. If you want to get your instrument rating as well endorsed on your license, if not, then only 4 checks you have to give. At the very first stage, you'll start your flying with FAM flight. After that, you'll have to give 4 checks, that is GFT by day, that is general flight test by day, general flight test by night, 250 nautical mile cross country by day, 120 nautical mile cross country by night. And if you want to endorse instrument rating on your license, then you'll have to give instrument rating check. After completing this 5 check, collecting all your required documents, that is 3 DGCA exam results, your FRTL license, and your 5 checks endorsed with your CA39 form, now you'll have to apply for your Indian CPL license, and now you'll receive your Indian commercial pilot license. What to do after receiving your Indian commercial pilot license, I'll be sharing in the next video. I hope you found this informative. Please let me know in the comments, and please share this with the commercial pilots who have completed their flying training from abroad. Please don't forget to subscribe.